Hey guys, today I'm working with a Whirlpool electric dryer. It's loaded on options and features here. Super Capacity Plus, 9 cycles, 5 temperatures, all types of settings for your delicates or your heavy jeans and towels. It's also got the wrinkle shield option on it, and it's running right now. I'll show you real quick. Nice huge capacity, light works, all that works good. And we just set it on time dryer. There's also AccuDry, sensor drying. Hit go there. You can hear it. Sounds great. Nice smooth operation. I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to as well. Dryer gets a 22-point inspection. Everything electrical, mechanical. It all gets checked and everything has to work perfectly before it gets listed up for sale, before it leaves my care. In between those two red dots, it's going to take its temperature measurement. So we'll open this up. Right inside the heating element tube there, you can see plenty of heat coming out of that tube. Now, this can get up to just over 300 degrees right inside that tube because your heating element's located back behind here on the other side of that panel. But the inside of your dryer is going to get anywhere from 95 up to 195. Just depends on how heavy your load is and then what you set your heat settings up here too. So you can even go with an air fluff so there's no heat. Like I said, just depends on what you're drying. But now you know everything works good, sounds good, heats correctly. We'll go ahead and get this listed up for sale. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks and have a great day.